Check out this gem. Completely remodeled with a bright, spacious open floor plan offering gleaming hardwood floors throughout entire home. Updated kitchen boasts beautiful new cabinets, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, glass tiles and breakfast bar, and overlooks the dining family room area with brick fireplace. Living room features a vaulted ceiling, tons of sun, and a custom staircase with wrought iron railing leading you to the second floor. Upper level offers spacious bedrooms with ample closet space and a high-end bathroom. Lower level with private entries ideal for multi-generational or an in-law suite featuring a huge rec room, spacious bedroom and fully updated bath. Bathroom updates include updated vanities, new flooring, quartz granite counters and new fixtures. Newer roof, air conditioner and floors. Stunning yard with large brick porch, brick driveway and deck for you to enjoy the summer fun. Conveniently located near expressways and train. Nothing to do except unpack, relax and enjoy.